Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a mini dummy 13. Okay, let's start off with the head. Grab this piece and then add a hat or anything. Then grab one of these pieces, put it in the head. Now, for the torso, you grab this piece and then this piece. Slide it in. And then grab this piece, put it inside. Grab another one, slide it inside too. And then for this one, you have to grab this piece and then add this piece and slide it through. Then pop it onto this. There, the torso, and then slide in the head. Okay, then you're gonna wanna grab this piece, slide this in there, and then put it onto the torso. Do the same on the other side. Then there, yeah, two parts of the leg. Now this one again, and again. Grab another one of those head pieces, then slide it into this foot. I had to use my mouth there, sorry. And then put it in. Do the same on the other side. There you have it. The feet is complete. Now for the bag, I like to use this one, the one with handles on it. And then just add these black hands or aura effect like that. You can do whatever you want there. You can use the normal one. Grab this smaller version. Don't know why I said that one. The leg piece is already done. Grab this piece. I don't know if you can see it. That one. And then slide it in there. Same on the other one. Grab another one and then add it here. Then add it here. I like to use only one hand which grabs, and then the other one has the open palm so that it can grab. And then open hand, and then you add the axe or whatever weapon you want. And then boom! There you have it. Your very own Dummy 13. Ha! Bye guys. This is my only long video. Bye.